stereotypical plugging in numbers problem. And what we have to do in order to get it done is pay close attention to what S actually represents. So here we go. It says the sum of a number and twice that number is equal to S. So what we don't want to do here necessarily is just designate S as a number. For example, if we said S is equal to 5, then we have to work backwards to figure out what number and twice that number add to 5. So that's not really the right approach. What we should do is think of the number and twice that number that would add up to S. So if we work it that way, this is very easy. So let's just think of a number. Let's say 3. And twice that number, let's say 6. Well, it says that sum is equal to S. So we're going to add them together. That gives us 9. And that is equal to S. So this is what we're dealing with here. We know that S is 9. Then the problem asks us, in terms of S, which of the following represents the smaller of the two numbers? Well, the next step in any plugging in numbers problem is to actually determine the question and answer it. What question are we being asked? It asks us, which of the following represents the smaller of the two numbers? So our actual answer to this problem is 3, because it is the smaller of the two original numbers we chose. Once we know we're looking for 3, all we need to do is plug what we have for S in the answer choices until one of those gives us 3. And when we plug it in for A, it's very clear that that's not going to get us 3, that would get us 27, so that can't be it. When we plug it in for choice B, similarly, that won't get us a winning value over there. Choice C would just get us 9, and choice D would get us 9 over 3, which does get us 3. So you could have chosen really any two numbers where you have a number and twice that number, and it adds to S, and this will work. Give this problem another shot with two other numbers and make sure you can do it like that as well. But choice D is correct.